it's been great so far, the seminar. Uh, whether you own a business right now or you're thinking about getting into a business, uh, the information that Diego is given is invaluable, uh, and it applies for anyone in business. Uh, and he covers in detail a lot of topics that are pertinent to anyone that's going in business for themselves. And I think this seminar is great, and I think everyone should have the opportunity to actually sit in on a seminar like this. Damon has been great. I've learned a lot of information from him, and Diego has been fantastic. And it's just been a truly rewarding experience. And I think anyone should be able to uh, sit in on a seminar just like this. So I'm completely satisfied, and I hope that more people will hear this testimonial, and in the future they will pull this up. If they get the opportunity to go through the seminar, it would be invaluable for them, information wise, for anyone going into business. And even if you're not going into business, just in general, it's very, very interesting, the strategies and some of the analogies he comes up with. And it's an A+ for me.